Got our 2 new sheep today, our 2 new Katahdins. Everybody out here is coming over to investigate. We got the Weathers and the other goats over here. Little bottle baby saying hello, and little mama over there. And then Sven, our buck, over in the other pasture. He's seeing what's going on with all these new noises. Piper the horse, she was kind of interested at first. Now she's going back to grazing. She's like, whatever, something else in the pasture. But these will be our 2 new girls. We'll breed them here in the spring. They're Katahdins, our first experience with sheep. We'll see how things go. Had those with the goats, have them with the bottle babies till they kind of get used to each other here and ease them into the farm and move them in the pastures.